guys, it's Snake and Cliff 502 here, and I am back with a video. And yes, finally I recorded again. And this is my map, my first map actually, and it's a parkour map. And if you want to download it, the download link will be in the description below. And yes, so I will not test it out, so no spoilers, but I will make fly around with it, and you will do the parts of it, and hope you enjoy my map. And here are the rules and the welcome signs, and this can be in multiplayer if you want to play with multiplayer. And notice sprint mod is used in this map. You need sprint mod enabled to parkour all of these. And yeah, so here's the review. Hope you enjoyed the map, guys. Hope you enjoyed the map because I made this for like an hour. It's just a short map. It's just short map. You don't need to. If you want to make a challenge, you can go. If you want to play with multiplayer, can be, and if you want to go on until the finish line and then go back until the starting line, so it can be a challenge. You just fly up here when you reach that level, and yeah, then if someone wants the end, you can go into summatory and fly up and turn on survival before fighting. So you need to be in survival before fighting and just punch other people and win the game. And yeah, that's all for my map, and I'll make more maps just for you guys to see my creativeness and enjoy the makings of my map. And yeah, I think that's all. Enjoy this map, and make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll be making mods more often. But I will be making videos, I think 1 time a week or 2 times a week. Yeah, that's all for today, and hope you like this map. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye, and stay next. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.